All past master of San Francisco Lodge number 120, arise and introduce yourself and respective years.
Rufo Macarone, Master 2019. Huh?
Gary Mendoza, Master 2020. Landry PM 1991. Albert Dua 2021.
Early 1991 and a couple other times.
Danny Silva, 1 hour and 10 minutes ago.
I stand honored by your trust, inspired by your charge, and your confidence bestowed upon me as a master of San Francisco Lodge number 120 for the year 2022. I thank the Supreme Architect of the universe for bringing us here today, safe and well. I thank the President of San Francisco Lodge number 120 and the elected and appointed officers for accepting their positions. I look forward to working with each one of you. When I accepted the worshipful master position, I understand that this is not a position, but a responsibility. I am indebted to our schooling lead, most worshipful Frank Cooley, worshipful Alan Luca, and worshipful Mike Salazar, sitting behind me for joining me today. I am grateful to them for what each of them has generously given to me, advice, wisdom, and support. Let me also take this opportunity to extend my sincerest gratitude to worshipful Rufo Macarone, who has been a steady force in the lodge and never failed to boost my morale. Worshipful Jerry Versusa, thank you for the patience and encouragement. Worshipful Albert Pua, thank you for your support and advice. Worshipful Elder Rosario, thank you for believing in me. I am also grateful to the members, past pastors of San Francisco Lodge number 120 for their continued guidance, support, and mentoring. I cannot name each of you, but you know how deeply thankful I am, your sincere brotherhood and friendship. If it were not for the love and support of my wife Leslie and my son William Andre, I could not have accomplished so much in Masonry and participated to the best of my ability. I love you all so much. Today marks the start of my task to put some of these rituals and traditions into words, to capture our meanings and purposes. I ask myself how I am going to continue the legacy of each worshipful master who has occupied the eastern chair before me. Each of them has contributed a lot in shaping these lands. As you have noticed in the program, my motto this year is remember your obligation. A simple statement, which at the same time has relevant meaning. Freemasonry is the oldest fraternity in the world and has millions of members worldwide. We, as Freemasons, can strive to be better men. As we say, the Masonry makes good men better. So let us follow through with this in our everyday lives and our actions at the lodge. We must commit ourselves to the uncomfortable positions of doubt, to the humility of always believing there is more to know, more to teach, more to understand. We must regard ourselves as accountable to one another, for we constitute the institution that in turn defines our possibilities. We are responsible not just for this fraternity in this moment, but to the very concept of Freemasonry as it has evolved over the years. These men all want to see our lodge continue to place itself in the community and to build upon what our predecessors have laid out for us. Rest assured that I will discharge my duties and responsibilities with the highest regards to maintaining harmony, peace, and brotherly love amongst our ranks. I am grateful for your support, and I look forward to an exciting year of service with all of you. I should never have the courage to let myself be installed here in the East. Without your undying support, to all my brothers, I ask your help and support in doing which is best for our lives. I wish my first official act to be that of extending an invitation to the members of San Francisco Lodge number 120 to attend our meetings, remember our obligations. Thank you, and let's enjoy the rest of the night.